Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to extrude in TinkerCAD. So to be honest, you will not be able to extrude complex figures, or you'll be able to extrude those, but you don't have accuracy like other CADs do. So the first method is basically, if you have simple figure, what you can do is use another figure and just extrude like that. So as you can see, like that. So if you have complex figure, what I can do is show you a workaround that should work. So just type into search sketch. Okay, so 2D sketch, or just scribble, just type scribble, and you'll find this tool. Just put it on your figure, and now you'll be able to something, as you can see, to use like something like this pencil and add a figure, as I said. And now just click done. And I said that you'll not have an accuracy like other CADs do, and you'll be able to just extrude it like that. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.